Hi friends, I am Valliyammal from Department of Computer Science SF, Assistant Professor, the Standard Fireworks, Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic types of schedules in DBMS. Let's move on the session. So this is the learning outcomes. In this video, we are learn about introduction, that means what do you mean by scheduling and the types of schedules and conflict operations and their example. Let's see about one by one. First, what do you mean by schedule? So scheduling is the process of determining the order in which transactions are executed when multiple transactions run concurrently. Scheduling ensures that operations are executed in a way that prevents conflicts or overlaps between them. There are three types of schedules. First one is serial schedules and non-serial schedules, and third one is serializable schedules. Let's see about one by one. First, to see about serial schedule. Schedules in which transactions execute one after another without interleaving. That is, no transaction starts until a running transaction has ended are called serial schedules. These serial schedules following three conditions. First one, only one transaction runs at a time. Second one, no concurrency issues. And third one, simple and always it's a consistent. Example. So consider the following schedule involving two transactions T1 and T2. In this table, RA and WA denotes that the read and write operations. It performs on some data item A respectively. It denoting a serial schedule since the transaction performed serially in the order D1 goes to D2. And second one, non-serial schedule. So the transactions execute in an interleaved manner in non-serial schedule. It follows three conditions. First one, it allows concurrency. And second one, it must be checked for correctness. And third one is it may or may not be serializable. Next, to see about the conflict operations. So there are three types of conflict operations. First one is reading uncommitted data. That means write-read conflict. Second one is unrepeatable reads. That means read and write conflict. Third one is overwriting uncommitted data. That means write conflict. So this is the non-serial schedule. It has two types. One is serializable and another one is non-serializable. So first one is serializable schedule. A non-serial schedule that behaves like a serial schedule. It may be following three conditions. First one is a maintain consistency. Second one is it avoid anomalies. And third one is it improve performance by allowing concurrency. The second one is non-serializable schedule. Schedules that do not preserve serial equivalence and may lead to inconsistencies if not handled carefully. It is classified into two types. First one is recoverable, second one is non-recoverable. So let's see about recoverable schedule, in which a transaction commits only after all transactions whose values it has read have also committed. The second type is non-recoverable schedule. So a transaction commits after reading uncommitted data from another transaction. If the writer transaction later aborts, the schedule becomes invalid. So this is the example. These are two transactions T1 and T2. So first is commit and then the second transaction is abort.